Here? No.
Wait, Juan Oliver. You find work yet? Oliver!
What you calling on me name for like a fella? Do I know you?
What you mean if you know me?
Why you hollering out me name?
Good morning, sir.
You say something, ma'am?
Good morning, sir.
It's not good for me at all, ma'am. The 2 suitcases I would figure me earlier.
Are you traveling, sir?
Eh, but what a question. Of course I'm traveling. Then why you think me that dress up in me winter coat, me ears muffins and me gloves? How far in me going?
Are you checking in?
Give me a sec. Ah? Knox. I hear something go clicking on me back.
Look, sir, there are people behind you or who were here before you. Are you checking in?
Look here now. When I was coming through that door, there was nobody in front of you. It's just because my baggage waited why them come stand up in front of you.
One of the red caps at the door for a couple of dollars with a wheel in the baggage for you.
A couple of dollars? From there to here, summer. You know how far I can travel on a minibus for a couple of dollars?
Are you checking in, sir?
Them things is for tourists.
Are you checking in, sir?
Why you keep asking, are me checking in, are me checking in? Of course I'm checking in. I never leave me and come all this way for the exercise, you know. Fooling.
Are you ready, sir? You ready now?
Lux, the place hot, man. The air conditioning now.
There's nothing wrong with our air conditioning, sir. You're hot because of the way you're attired.
What you chopping in? Tiredness can make somebody hot.
You're hot because of what you're wearing, sir.
You don't serve for what me wearing. Me have ample reason to be wearing what me wearing.
Not sure.
Where I am going, there's a terrible blizzard. Last night the temperature was 40 below now.
But you're still in Jamaica and the temperature is in the 90s.
Well, I'm not taking no chances. Next thing the cold breeze go catch me sudden.
How many pieces, sir?
Piece of what?
Pieces of luggage, sir.
Look here now. They might look piece to you, you know. But it's genuine leather. It's my sister husband sent them from England. Oh, the only reason why them look for is because me is a regular traveler.
How many pieces of luggage, sir?
2! See them here? 1, 2. Right, yes, I may have them. Me no hide none, I me no have none in my pocket.
Please take off one so I can weigh them individually.
A spiteful, she's spiteful, you know. Yes, your jaw hang down like bulldog. Spiteful, yeah.
This piece is overweight. Would you take it off? Put on the other piece for me, please.
But it's not by much, dear.
The other piece of luggage.
It's light, you see.
This piece is also overweight.
But it's not by much. Not a soul going know the difference. Eh? How much it overweight by? Quarter pound?
40 pounds, sir.
Lux, ease me up now, darling. Give me a blind now. As a regular traveler.
Your luggage is overweight, sir.
You know, you have a nerve here call something overweight, you know. Because if she ever stand up on the scale there, all next week the nigga gonna stop speak.
Your luggage is overweight, sir.
All right. Your luggage is overweight. Your luggage is overweight. How much I must pay?
No, you can't do it like that. You'll have to take some of the things out of the suitcases and put in a box or something.
You know, you're a wicked woman. A wicked fat woman.
Do you want a box, sir?
Box me now? You think say you're helping me sprite me try a box?
A box to take out and put in the things that are in the suitcase.
I don't want nothing from you. I want somebody sensible to talk to. Who is in charge, eh? Who is in charge of the plane?
The plane? The captain is in charge of the plane.
Well, let me talk to the captain.
The captain can't speak to you now, sir.
Well, maybe talk to the vice captain.
At any rate, the captain is not in charge out here.
Who is in charge of you?
My supervisor?
Well, make her talk to your supervisor.
Look, she's only going to tell you exactly what I just told you.
How you know what she won't tell me? It's something the whole on a plan.
Our policy on overweight is very clear, sir.
You know, if I was like you, I don't use that word overweight so often,
Step aside and allow somebody else to come forward.
But where is the box? Oh no, here all of me up here beg her for the box.
Here you are, sir. Enjoy yourself.
No, to go on, let's come on to the way I can't pass. Come, ma'am, excuse me, my pass. I'm not listening to you. I'm on set.
How many pieces of just
go back to the plan, ma'am, or they go to the shop, he said. Come on, leave the bag alone, I'm never meeting that,
You are getting sir.
Come, excuse me, man. Excuse me, come, excuse me, take up the things and make me pass.
No, this is someone. I'm a conscience, you know.
I come back.
Are you checking in, sir?
You're going back on that same thing again? Of course I'm checking in.
How many pieces, sir?
2 suitcases and a cardboard box.
Of course, you know that you're only allowed to check in 2 pieces, sir.
Say what?
Only allowed 2 pieces, sir. What you have to do is...
Listen up. I wake up early before daylight this morning. Leave me yard and batter upon the minibus. You ever take a minibus dress up in a winter coat, ears muffins and gloves yet? With 2 suitcases?
No, sir.
Well, you must try it one morning. As I get on the bus, you want to hear what the conductor boy said to me?
I wasn't there.
This flight is not going to Alaska today. We're stopping at halfway tree.
That's no sense.
Now, after all of that, I come here promptly on time. Logo with my suitcase them from out of the bus stop come right up here, son. And you tell me, say, I can't have 2 pieces.
That's not what I said.
That's exactly what you told me. You told me so. I have witnessed. Everybody here was here, right? Everybody was here. And after all of that, I'd almost killed myself trying to convert those 2 pieces into 3 pieces. And now you come back and tell me, say, me have to have 2 pieces.
Sir, if you'd only allow me to finish. The normal allowance is 2 pieces of luggage checked in and 1 piece of hand luggage per passenger.
But I did have 2 pieces. I come here with 2 pieces. Is you tell me say I must have 3 pieces?
There's absolutely no need for you to get boisterous, sir.
What did you call me? By just like your papa. Listen, I want to talk to the manager all the time. Somebody in authority. Me not move, me not move an inch. I want to see somebody who's in authority. Oh, where the manager? Call the manager. Yes, man. I support people to stand up for them rights. That is what Bob Marley was trying to tell us all along, If you don't stand up for your rights, people push you around. You agree with me, my dear sir? Oh, because them see me look so simple, them things say I don't know my constitutional rights. I travel regular, very regular. Poor.
May I be of assistance?
Who, me?
Are you the gentleman with the problem? Well, I'm the supervisor here.
Oh, yes, Miss Supervisor, ma'am. I have a very serious grievance with the tenant.
Agents.
Yes, ma'am. Well, you see, ma'am, I come here from morning with me 2 suitcases batter upon the minivan. The woman, she create one, make I tell you, see, the big dumpling where you see was right here, so. She create one scandal for me over £1/4 of luggage, ma'am. £1/4. She'll offer me box.
Listen, Miss Courtney has already outlined the problem. What you'll have to understand, sir, that as an airline, we're not only governed by our in-house policies. There are international standards, rules and regulations that dictate that we impose certain statutory limitations in order that we meet international specification, and this will ensure that we're able to compete internationally in an already very competitive marketplace. Now to the matter of luggage. This is an area that we've had to become increasingly more and more vigilant in order to comply with certain international safety requirements. I'm certain that your own sense of patriotism will want to see our airline succeed, wouldn't it, sir?
Oh, very certainly, ma'am.
Well, will you please cooperate with Miss Courtney in the interest of our own national airline? And by the way, take it easy with our shy on you. Miss Courtney?
Look, what a nice lady doing.
Why make you never explain it to me like that?
What's your position now, sir?
Explain it one more time to me.
It's very simple, sir. Each passenger is allowed 2 pieces of luggage checked in and 1 piece of hand luggage.
All right. Me can carry on this like a hand luggage.
No, sir, that's impossible. It's much too big.
No, it's all right. Me can manage it.
It has to fit under your seat, sir.
It's all right, man. Me keep it in my lap.
Sir, don't you just agree to cooperate?
I never understand a word where the supervisor say.
You want me to get her again?
No, it's quite all right. It's quite all right, my dear. Look here, now. Don't you say that everybody is entitled to 2 pieces of luggage?
Yes.
Well, that man down there, so him only checking in 1. You know, can't put my box beside him and squits it out.
No, sir, it can't work like that. If you find somebody with only 1 piece of luggage and they're willing to check in your box, fine.
All right. Give me a chance. I'll soon come back, my dear. Excuse me, sir. I noticed you only have 1 piece of luggage. You think you could check in this box to me, please? I never have no luck with ugly people, you know. Anybody have 1 piece of luggage? Or no could check it in for me? Please check in this box for me. It's very light. It's not much I have in there, you know. It's just some old clothes, some nighties and wedding dress and such delights. It's for my granny. She's sick. Very sick. She don't have a soul in the world but me. She on her deathbed. The last word she said is that she would like to be buried in her wedding gown and her honeymoon nightie. Poor granny. The same knife when stick sheep, when stick goat. One day no granny went dead too. Heartless set of people, eh? You see all that bent foot boy down the same face, bumpy like sweet sap. It's how much half to pay, man?
That should be $150, sir.
$150 for what?
For the box, sir.
But the things that I have in there don't come up to $150. All me have in there, you know, is few skull ackee, piece of escovitch fish, half a jackfruit, little jerk pork, 2 dozen black mango, and 2 stinking toe.
We charge by the weight, sir, not by the value.
Well, it's a wicked hack. A wicked hack.
Are you going to pay, sir, or shall we leave the box?
After you take this money from me, you can go to your bed with a clear conscience.
That money isn't going to benefit me in the least, sir.
Then, if it's not going to benefit you and it's not going to benefit me, what make you not forget it?
Sir.
All right, come, take it, come, here. You know, I'd feel much better, you know, if you was a whole-up woman and you hold me and take with that money, you know.
Name and address on the pieces, sir?
Yes, and please to stop calling me expensive suitcase, them pieces. Oh, it's genuine leather then. Tell me something. I'm going to get a plate of food on the plane.
A hot meal will be served, sir?
I can make my order now.
No, sir.
Well, look here now. Please to take a note of it. Make a note of it on the ticket to say that I don't eat pork. Locks the place hot, sir.
Smoking or non-smoking, sir?
Eh?
Smoking or non-smoking, sir?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes to what you asked me.
I asked you whether you were smoking or not, sir.
Well, sometimes I smoke and another time I don't smoke. You know somebody that smoke all the while?
All I want to know, will you be smoking on board, sir, or not?
Me have to make up my mind right now.
Yes, sir.
What a piece of oppression.
Look, it's for your convenience as well as the convenience of the other passengers. No. Are you smoking or not, sir?
Look here. Smoking. No, hold on a little. Make that not smoking. No, hold on.
No, something beside the man.
Put me on the border.
Alright, I'll put you on smoking. You may smoke if you want to, but you don't have to.
It can work, sir. So why you never tell me that all the while? Look here, man. Which part smoking is? Back or front?
In the rear of the aircraft, sir.
Which part them serve the food? Back or front?
From the front of the plane, sir.
You know, on second thought, me and the cigarette don't agree. Put me right up where them serve the food, not smoking. Lady, please to tell that buff-teeth boy don't fling me luggage like that, you know, because I have expensive things in there. And if him broke, them going to have to recompensate me proper.
Window or aisle, sir?
Eh?
Window seat or aisle seat, sir?
Me no like the window seat. Which part the oil is?
The aisle is the passage between the seats, sir.
Well, me not sit down in no passage, you know, because me pay me full fare like everybody else. Me not sit down in no passage.
Window seat or aisle seat, sir?
Give me the aisle. Lady, me suitcase, them a move.
That's the conveyor belt that's taking the luggage to the aircraft.
I was on a joking. Me didn't know that all the while. I travel regular.
May I have $40, sir?
No. The way she treat me, she a look thick.
$40 for the departure tax, sir?
Departure tax? But me not supposed to pay tax. Me not working.
Everybody has to pay $40 traveler's tax, sir.
So me going to get back this when me come
No?
back. What a thing. Departure tax. I sure when I'm coming back, I'm not going to want me pay income tax.
Your seat number is 28, sir. We board in 15 minutes. Kindly proceed through immigration to the departure lounge.
Excuse me. You have a little map that you could make me borrow so that me can see where me going, ma'am?
No, sir. Just go straight ahead and ask questions as you go.
Well, you know if anything can write it down, pan, so me can remember.
I'll repeat it again for you. It is immigration, departure lounge through gate number 2, seat 20A. Have a nice flight. Next, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Migration, departure lounge, gate 20A,
How are you, Sonny?
Migration.
You mean immigration?
Is that me say?
The first not travel and nervous to say.
There's nothing to be nervous about, darling.
Next.
I know it's not the first time you're traveling because I hear you say you travel regular.
Very regular. Once every couple of months I go up to the Bronx. I have business connections up there and I also have my relatives.
Oh, I sit in my side, you know. I asked the lady for put me beside her because I want to sit beside somebody who start the experience. The seat number 20B.
Good choice.
Next.
Hold on. Me ask the lady say I should have put this in the overhead compartment. I don't even know where that is.
The overhead compartment? Me know where that is, man. Give me your bag when I put it over.
Yeah.
You know what?
What I money. So cool. I don't know that man if I didn't buck up on somebody with experience.
Oh, yes, man. Me know whether it's there now. Your bag well taken care of.
Thank you. Sabi, I hear them off seatbelts on the plane to just like in motor car.
That's true.
So what them for?
It's just like car. If the pilot decides I'm going to take a sudden break, we don't go crashing through the windscreen.
Oh, so you know about the push button things them where them use for light. And the air conditioner and lay back down the seat and thing that you know about that too?
Yes, but I don't know what muggle plane we're going on today. Various muggles have different features.
Next.
Oh, come here. The lady said we're going on the 747. Is which one you took the last time?
It was a 1800 Mazda.
Oh, so them are people on the plane with serve the things that you want to?
Yes. When you go on the plane, you see, just ask the waiter for whatever you want and she will get it for you.
Hey, the other day you see me that watch a thing on TV where one of the ladies who work on the plane that show the people them say, should in case the plane meet in an accident, you have a white thing where you cover your mouth and your nose.
That's the dust mask. In case the plane fly through any air pollution or
Oh, come here, Mr. B.
Yeah,
And them have life jacket up there, you know, if in case you want to jump into the water.
Look here now, when you go up on the plane, you see, just ask one of the waitresses them for gear one. Because them have a way of giving people different size. I always ask you a medium. You might take a small.
Come here and tell me about your pockets.
That is where you put in your important documents when you're flying, so that them don't get lost.
Mr. B.
It's the last time, let me tell you something. Don't.
I hear America cold.
40 below north. You better put on that coat the way you have in your hand.
For now.
40 below north. You have any idea how far a cold inside that can spread? As we go up into the air, we might start feel it. What's your name?
Oh, Doris.
My name is Oliver. Doris is a nice name.
You think so?
Yes, of course.
My husband, I think so tall. He said too old time.
Husband?
Yeah.
My granny did have a cow named Doris.
I your turn.
What's your problem, sir?
Problem? No problem.
So why you come and stand up and look in my face, sir?
The teller down there says I must come up here to you.
Are you traveling, sir?
Me dear sir, from 5 o'clock this morning. One help on the minibus, the doctor come.
Are you going abroad, sir?
Then why you think say me that bata myself and the minibus come up all the way, sir?
Where are you going?
Foreign.
Where's the immigration form?
What that?
You didn't get a white form to fill up.
No. Choo-choo.
Alright. Next time, ask it. Please fill this up for me.
You could pull it out for me, sir. I never bring my writing glasses.
Name? Name?
Olivius Adams. You want a middle name?
Yes, sir.
Olivius Abraham Isaiah Adams. It's all Bible name, you know. My family them was very religious. But you can call me Oliver.
Address?
25 Casada Lane, Kingston, Jamaica, West
Alright,
Indies.
sir, alright. Is this your first trip abroad? First trip, sir?
Look here now, sir. It's me talking to you now, it's not the whole airport.
Look, you're going to provide me the information or you're going to fill out the form yourself, sir? First trip. You dress while abroad?
Let me not must dress, sir. You know, expect me to walk around naked.
Where you going to live while you're abroad?
Bronx.
Bronx?
Bronx.
I need your full address, sir.
America, Bronx.
You're full of dress, sir.
Is that what it's number, yeah, man? You don't expect me to walk around with them, the whole number there.
Do you have it written down anywhere, sir?
Yes, I have it on the invitation letter when Mabel sent me.
You have it with you, sir?
Of course. Me never gonna away without
Can
it.
you give it to me, please, sir?
I'm careful with it. Our picture in there. She's sweetie. It's my girlfriend, Mabel. And she sent the invitation letter for me. And she also sent the ticket.
And tell me something.
Yeah.
You mean you're going to leave Jamaica and go all the way to the Bronx for this?
Give me that thing here. The address in Ireland. No. See address here. On top. See the on top. No, no, nigga like it.
May I have your passport, please, sir?
Yes. But please to give it back to me, sister, because I'm sure I'm going to want it when I reach up to foreign.
How long are you planning to stay in the US, sir?
US? No. Bronx.
How long are you planning to stay in the Bronx?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Now why you looking at me like that, sir? Like me telling lie.
Same thing all of them will run with, sir.
Then you think that me could have leave my nice country of wood, water and sunshine? If you go live in a ice box? So why you looking through my passport, sir?
Tell me something. Is who check you in? The new girl out there now?
The heaviest one out there.
She again.
What happened? Something wrong?
Something wrong? You're not going anywhere today, sir?
Yes, man. Me going to America, Bronx.
Where your visa? You don't have no visa.
Visa? What that?
Man, go back a yard, take off that nice winter coat and enjoy the heat. Next.
No, sir. You don't understand, you know. I'm not going away for long, you know. It's just a small visit. Maybe send the invitation letter to me and she said I don't need nothing else.
Next.
No, wait. Sir, listen to me now. You don't understand, you know. I can't go back home just so. I tell everybody say I'm going to foreign. I'm about my luggage. If it go clear a Bronx and come back, the jackfruit will spoil. Miss, Darius, my friend, you have an extra visa I could borrow?
Go ask your granny for